Clock in. Black Gotti just walked in. Yeah. Team Black Gotti, stand up, man. Yeah. Right now we about to get into another sponsored video. And this song is called Trencherous. I think he was kind of mixing the trenches with dangerous. Trencherous. That's hard. That go hard. You feel me? And this song is from Tymoe, one of the two. Let me know if you know. But we definitely about to get into this video called Trencherous. And he's definitely in the trenches. And it must be dangerous over there. You feel me? Simple. Enough all the chit chat. Let's get straight into this one. Clock in.
This shit I did up in these streets, these niggas mention it. We slid with Glocks and took his on me, now he reminisce. Yeah. This shit I did up in these streets, these niggas mention it. We slid with Glocks and took his on me, now he reminisce. No pass, we catch out, we get right on his ass. No pass, I call a twin, you get left in the past, yeah.
Okay. Let me find out he go hard. My first impression on this song is lit. You feel me? It's really going hard. Boy, you're a little bit too hot out here, boy. You might just need some milk. You feel me? And they definitely posted up in the trenches and it looked kind of dangerous. So I'm kind of getting why he called this song Trencherous. He from the trenches. Well, it's dangerous. You feel me?
TTB right with the 50. And time no talking, never going 30. Niggas fool, that's why I always stay with Curry. And off this pill, there's not no perky. Gang. Face I put them on the team. My shooter shoot with accuracy. These niggas claim they after me. Hey, D-Man gang, we smoking shit. You never blew your knee, no blade. How you diss the butt, ain't no shit. Damn, bitch, I'm smoking damn. People diss it, bold them, you go be the next day. Yeah, mostly nigga bitch. My niggas shoot precision. I ain't got in the stitch, and you don't want me to witness. I grew up in the trenches, yeah. Catch him, like it. Now you ain't with that.
Oh, this hard. And he definitely look like he getting the love and support he needs to get in his little area to be able to push him on to the next level. So you feel me? His support system looks like it's definitely there. Hopefully there's not no fake love going on, but everything look real, everything look genuine. And he actually go hard, you feel me? Ain't too much I can say that's not hard about the song.
Ain't with that hard shit, smoke em, bag em. My niggas really be dropping shit. Say I'm a bitch, I'm just a rapper who ain't popping shit. Glock 40 with a drum and every bullet got a hollow tip. This shit I did up in these streets, these niggas mention it. We slid with Glocks and took his on me, now he reminisce. No pass, we catch out, we get right on his ass. No pass, I call a twin, you get left in the past, yeah. TTB right around with the 50. Cause I'm no talking, never do them dirty. Niggas fool, that's why I always stay with Curry. Bitch, I'm busting off this field, there's not no perky. Gang. I'm back, bitch.
Okay. Blue strip. Well, I'm pretty sure you got the same thing that I got out of this, and this wasn't bad at all. Y'all go to the comments of his video and put the fire emoji if you felt like that was fire. If you felt like it was ass, just put the doodle. Yeah, well, and the milk sign, but you're a little bit too hot out here, but you might need some milk. Feel me? But me personally, I feel like this one was hard. And I could definitely vibe with that. But enough about how I feel about this one. Let me know what y'all think about this, because I'm not done with that. Clock out, Black Gotti. Just walked out.
Okay, I'm out here trying to get paid, but dog,